Now our topic is Doppler effect. See, Doppler effect, I am giving one example that whenever train is moving away from the observer and train whistle, then that train pitch is lower than the previous one. So as train moving away from the observer, that pitch of sound decreases. But same train is moving towards the observer and whistling, then that pitch will be higher than the previous one. So at normal resting position, whenever train is moving towards the observer, that pitch is higher than the normal one. So because of this changing of sound, that changing of sound is known as Doppler effect. So Doppler effect, for any sound there is a medium which is required, but for electromagnetic waves no medium required to propagation. So because of that medium, here we are having this type of effect. So there are four categories in this Doppler effect. First category, whenever observer is at rest and source is moving. So whether source is moving towards observer. Second, observer is rest again, source is moving away from that observer. Third, now source is resting and observer is moving towards source. Fourth, observer is moving away from the source. And the fifth one, observer and source both are moving away. And sixth one, observer and source both are moving towards each other. So we have to study all the categories in this Doppler effect. So there may be change of frequency because of these motions, right? These all are called relative motions. But there is one type more, when observer and source both are moving in same direction with same velocity, then there will be not any relative motion between them because no changes occurs here. But yes, if observer is slowing down then the source, then there will be relative motion. So that is called Doppler effect.